really nice to see you again, and here's Captain Haddock, and this time I will really tell you how to do a great, really great smoothie. And this smoothie is, if you have some breathing problems during this Corona time, this smoothie will really help you with breathing, and it's really, this is true, and you can check this from Wikipedia or other sources, Google or something. But now I will tell you how you will do a great smoothie for your breathing and lungs and respiratory system. So let's see. First you need a good pineapple. You need this, and what to do with this pineapple is just that you need to cut it, of course, and next I will show you how to do it. So we just cut it like this. Okay, great. And then you need to do it like this. Alright, and then you just put this to this cup. Okay, and that was the first step. And then you need ginger, and ginger is a really great stuff, and the more you eat this, the healthy you will be. And you need to this knife and take a little bit off from this ginger, and this is really, this ginger is this ginger is very fresh ginger, and when the ginger is fresh, then it's really real healthy. And then I take this cup again and just cut these 2 slices. Alright, and there is the ginger now. And then I put some honey, and this is normal bees honey, and it is really good for your health also. Like this. Alright, now it's there. Okay, and this is a really important spice in this smoothie. This is cayenne pepper, and you can check from Wikipedia or other sources, really, this Google and so on. This is good to your lungs and to your respiratory system and for your breathing. It helps your lungs to be really healthy and safe, and it is good spice, and it has medicine compounds, and it's like a medicine to your body. So this I recommend a lot. And this cayenne pepper I will put there in this smoothie. As you can see, I put all there like this. Alright, and now we have it there. And what do we then put there next? And that I will tell you now what we put there next. This is my favorite drink, this Captain Kombucha, and this is ginger and lemon, delicious taste, and Captain Haddock recommends Captain Kombucha. Both are captains, and I put it there. Okay, some kombucha drink like this. Alright, it's there. And then what we need to do, naturally we need to mix this all. Yes, and now we mix this all like this. As you can see, we need to do something for this ananas slice, because it really doesn't seem to mix very good. We need to do something for that. Okay, let's see what happens. Can we crush this ananas? How does this? Okay, now it seems to be that this is working. What will happen? Will we get this ananas? Will it be really good smoothie? We will see in few seconds this. Okay, what happens? Okay, my friend, and now we can see that this smoothie, it is ready, and it is ready to drink. We will taste this smoothie. All right, yes. Let's taste this now. This is great stuff, and this is great stuff for your lungs and breathing. 1 cup, 2 cups or something like that every day, and you will be healthy during these Corona times. I recommend this smoothie to you, my friend. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy life, enjoy smoothies, and have a good life, have a healthy life. Stay safe, my friends, and see you on next video. Bye.